So I'm coming to y'all looking real ugly or whatever, and I'm gonna just give you a slight disclaimer. If it's any noise, any baby sounds, anything, it's because my nephew is downstairs and he's one and he's loud and he like the dang on stuff or whatever. But I still wanted to get this video out before I like went out and continued with my day. So that's a disclaimer. And yeah, I know my eyebrows not fully there because I shaved them, and I shaved them basically because I wanted to do like a higher arch type thing, and my natural like brow shape didn't go in that way, so I kind of like shaved the tail off basically. I took my locks out or whatever because my hair, like, I keep on, I never accept what God has given me. My hair, I don't have thick hair. Like, I have thin hair and it's really like fine. Like, it's not like super coarse. Like, the only time when it's coarse is when it's in this curly state. But like otherwise, like even when I wet my hair and stuff, my hair gets super like, I have super thin hair. My grandma has it, my mom has it, and I keep on telling myself, oh my god, get braids, get locks, get these styles, and these styles do not last long. My hair looks dingy really fast. Like, my hair is just not designed for these styles. By the way, we're sectioning our hair off. That's what I normally do. I section my hair off or whatever, get it out my way to, you know, better get into the like the curls and stuff. But yeah, so I had to take my locks out, sadly, because it just wasn't like, I don't know, like my hair not coarse enough for it, like for that style, for it to actually last long. And it was kind of annoying because I only had it for like a week. And then I'm an essential worker. I work in a warehouse, so me having that hairstyle was kind of dangerous. So for everybody that was able to enjoy that hairstyle, like, kudos to you, because I couldn't enjoy it. I had to like get rid of it because I didn't need my hair getting stuck in the conveyor belt. But today, as you can see by the title, it's like first impressions. So basically, I'm doing the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, because my hair shrinks up so bad. Like, it's shrinking up now a little bit, even though it's still wet, but like, but see, it shrink up so bad. Oh yeah, and this shirt is from Black After Party. It says stay home, even though I'm not staying home today, so Chuck, you just gonna have to fuck me up. But yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I'm sectioning my hair off, and I'm detangling it a little bit, because when I was in the shower, I couldn't like, I don't like being in the shower for like a super long amount of time, because then my asthma start playing with me. So I couldn't like fully detangle it, so I'm detangling it now while it's damp. So normally I start from like the bottom and I work my way up and stuff, so it's just like that. But it's basically fully detangled for the most part. So we're going to read the directions, even though we never read the directions to anything. Directions: small amount can be used on clean, dry hair, but this gel works best on clean, wet, or damp hair. That's what we have now. Apply more for tight curls and less for elongated curls. Okay, for wash and go styles, apply as needed, raking through the hair with fingers, then finger styling the hair into place, air dry. I love how they're saying this exactly how I do my hair, so we just gonna do it, okay? So we're gonna give ourselves a little amount for this section. It says start off little and stuff, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, we're gonna, it's clear, so it's a little amount, like probably like, I don't know, just a little amount. I don't want to really mix this with anything because I'm scared that it's going to stop it from being able to like, since it's a no shrink, like, because normally when I do my wash and goes, I do it with I put like oil in my hair and stuff, but I don't know if this is going to like affect that or whatever. But I keep on like dabbing a little bit of product. Everybody hair is different. Like I said earlier, that I have thin hair, so I don't try to like OD with the product. But if you have thicker hair, like coarser hair, you do what you gotta do, sis. Like, you feel me? So basically, this is what we getting at. Ooh, these is juicy. Y'all see that? My ends is kind of ugly though, but I'm gonna just finger coil the ends of my hair. I normally always do it like, sometimes I do them in like larger sizes. This is the first time I ever did like smaller finger coils. So I just separate pieces and I kind of like glide, because I still have product on my hand and there's still like leftover product on my hair that didn't fully penetrate my hair. So I just finger coil the ends and I glide it through because the product, it goes to the ends of my hair, and the ends of my hair, which is, it's like that for everybody here, is more so the drier part of your hair. So I'm just raking it through, you know, finger coiling. So far, I'm messing with it, cause normally I use the Talia. What it's something, I think it's like Arabic, but normally I use that, but they didn't have that when I went to go pick up this, so I was like, well, we just doing a first impression video. But basically the same thing I did to the back piece, I'm doing to this piece. I'm just detangling at the end. My hair works better with water, so dampening it a little bit. I think I want to like put this section, like, hold on, part this section. The smaller the piece, the better, but like for a certain extent. Well, to a certain extent. But yeah, I know my eyebrows really look crazy. See, this is how you know like we like gang, because I do not go out like that. Like, I do not let people see my eyebrows like this. But if y'all been following me for a minute, y'all know that I do a lot of weird shit to my eyebrows anyway. Like, I put slits and shit in my eyebrows all the time, and people are like, oh my god, are you doing that with makeup? Like, girl, no, I cut this shit off. My eyebrows grow back so fast that I don't even trip over it. So, ooh, that's just what I gotta do, you know. So basically I'm gonna take like the same amount and I'm gonna just do the same thing. So if you can see that, I hope you can. So starting from the top, working my way down, adding some more to the ends because my ends is always drier. Like, it dries faster than my, like, the rest of my head. And then we're just going to separate. Washing those is basically just working with your natural curl pattern. Basically, like, long story short, it's not no twist out. It's not a braid out. It's not none of that. Like, you literally just work with your natural hair pattern. You literally wash and go. So you add your product, you style your hair slightly, and you just go. So it's no, like, it's not really modifying your hair, like, for real, for real. Basically, I'm just doing the same thing that I did on the previous sections, which is just run the product down and just like finger coil my ends. So this is how we looking right now. This is my curl. I feel like it is longer than what it normally is. The finger coil makes your hair like tighter, so it'll shrink up more, but it is way longer. Like, it elongated my curls a lot, because when I tell you my curls would have like shriveled like so high up. So the only way we can really judge is when my hair is like fully dry. But yeah, so what I'm about to do now is go off camera, do this side of my head, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I know that good stuff. So this is kind of like the end result. I feel like it didn't like, I feel like it elongated my hair slightly. I feel like slightly, yeah, it elongated it. What I'm about to do is just pick my hair out a little bit. So basically what I did, I kind of let it air dry until it was like 80% dry, and then I took the blow dryer because I didn't have no patience. I'm actually going out today, so I'm gonna just pick my hair out. But I'm just showing y'all like the process of like what I do with my hair. I use this wide tooth comb as a pick. basically what I would give, I give this product probably like an 8 out of 10. I feel like the 10 out of 10 aspect of this product is like defining my curls. So if you can see, like, my curls are really defined. You see? Like, it's really, really pretty. Like, it really holds your curls in place. This is not a curl. Well, I want people to take from that this doesn't make your hair curly. This is a product that defines the curls that you have already. So if you have looser curls than mine, like, your curls will still be loose. It will not look like mine. If you have coarser hair than mine with kinkier curls, your hair will still be that way, but it just controls frizz and it defines your curls so that your curls will be like sealed better, like how these are. But I like this product, and I think I'm gonna constantly use it a part of my wash and go. Like, this is just about to be like an everyday thing for me, because I do feel like my hair, like, it is sitting on my shoulders when normally it doesn't do that, but it didn't like loosen it out to like where it was like the length that it actually is. So we stand.